Okay. So let me tell you my skills. So I'm a realtor, and as I've gone through the years, they've told you, hey, when you have a successful closing, post it on Facebook with a picture and your sign, right? Post, hey, I just closed with Ashley. She's a great realtor. What does that do? Well, we all know that social media is broadcasted to thousands and thousands of people. So I want you to open your head here and think about this. If you don't have friends and family connected to your social media account and you allow it to have an algorithm that pushes out into the World Wide Web, did you know that you could be seen by 5 billion people on social media every month? That's how many people are actively on social media. So that was something that that I bypassed and moved on down the road. But now what I'm trying to say is, as an algorithm and the computer and the social media networks, what happens is that your video, your page, your post, your faceless digital account that gets pushed out there to the World Wide Web, if you're not synced up with your friends and family, it will go and blow up and go way, way, way past your parameters. I was learning how to take my business from a 2-hour a workday day and basically have a presence on the online web as a business that's open 9 hours a day. Right? Like, I don't have a brick and mortar store. This is not 123 Main Street where you get to come in, I flip the open sign and say, hey, I'm open for business. No, I'm open for business 24/7. And the great thing about social media is when you post a video out there, then it spreads like wildfire out to the World Wide Web. So your customer base is 5 billion people strong. Now, I'm seeing people making 6 and 7 figures in our community. In fact, we just had our second $1 million person to hit in 2024, her second million in 2024. And we still have 4 months left. And we've got people who were making 6 figures in 90 days. But guess what? New record just hit. Now we have got a 6-figure earner who did it in 90 days. I mean, in 60 days. 60 days. 60 days. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, sometimes it takes me a year to make 6 figures. And I'm not talking 101,000. I'm talking serious 6 figures, over the 2s, up in the 3s. This is where we're going. And if you're not embracing change and embracing the skills that's out there for you to learn and share, it'll explain so much that you deserve to know. You deserve to know this information. It will change your life. It can change your reality. It can get you out of debt. It can give you the best Christmas of your life. This can help wipe off that debt. This can help pay off that mortgage. And this can help you go ahead and buy your second and third investment in real estate. Like, let's do it. You guys have a fantastic time. Again, you can always follow me right here on dailywealthonline.com.